In this video, we will explain what is the digestive system, its functions, and its parts, how it works, and how relevant it is for the human organism. In addition, we will show how hepatitis B affects the system and the danger it poses.
These are the organs of the digestive system. Mouth. It is the beginning of the digestive process, by breaking down the food into a form the body can absorb and use. Salivary gland. The gland that produces saliva, which is released into the mouth to begin breaking down food and facilitating digestion. Pharynx. The body cavity consisting of muscular walls in the process of swallowing and is the pathway from the mouth to the esophagus. Esophagus. By means of contraction, the esophagus delivers food to your stomach.
Stomach serves as a type of container that holds food while it's been broken down by enzymes. Then it is released into the small intestine. Liver processes the nutrients absorbed from the small intestine. Gallbladder stores and concentrates bile, which is an enzyme by the liver. Pancreas secretes digestive enzymes into the duodenum, the first segment of the small intestine. These enzymes break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. The pancreas also produces insulin.
The small intestine is a 22-foot-long muscular tube that breaks down food using enzymes produced by the pancreas, while the large intestine is a 6-foot-long muscular tube that connects the small intestine to the rectum. It is responsible for processing waste so that emptying the bowel is easier. The rectum is an 8-inch chamber that receives waste from the colon, the large intestine, so it lets the person know that it needs to evacuate. Finally, the anus. It is the last part of the digestive tract. It is a 2-inch long canal consisting of the pelvic floor muscles and 2 anal sphincters, internal and external.
The root. First, the food enters the mouth, where it is chewed and saliva begins breaking the food. After, the food goes through the pharynx, and then down the esophagus, where it arrives to the stomach. In the stomach, hydrochloric acid and enzymes produced by the liver and pancreas break down the food, and some nutrients are absorbed. Afterwards, the food goes to the small intestine, where most of the nutrients and water are absorbed by the walls. Then, the wastes go into the large intestine, where it is formed into fecal waste. Lastly, it enters the rectum, where it is sorted until it is evacuated through the anus.
The dangers of hepatitis B. Hepatitis B is a disease which targets the liver, the second largest organ in the human body and probably one of the most important ones. It has over 500 functions, and one of them is secreting the bile that is used by the small intestine to properly digest food in the digestive system. When the liver is infected, it cannot do this function properly, so food is not digested well, and the body is forced to dispose it by vomiting. This is why a symptom is nausea, with the bile actually going up the esophagus and damaging it.